Right, so we're going to go over the rules, okay? Now, all chili products that we serve this afternoon must be chewed, sucked, or swished around in your mouth. We will let you know when the time is up and when you can swallow. You blokes are good at that, yeah? Any self-cocks up there have got buckets, alright?
The chilies will range from habanero, which is rated around 300,000, up to the Moruga scorpion, which is the world's hottest chili, and that's 2 million square head units. And you also experience some pain, and some contestants from last year's competition also hallucinated afterwards. So,
Josh, piece of piss. You got some on your phone, mate. Suck your phone. Go.
come on! Here's the game, guys. It starts to get sore now.
You going, Lisa? Good? No problem?
He's out. He's drinking.
You're out?
You're drinking around.
Oh, the Frenchman's out. You had a drink. Drink it all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go. Down the hatch, down the hatch. I want to see someone chuck in the bucket. What about you guys?
Next one we've got is Wildfire from Heat Seekers Chili. This is a puree with 75% chili. It's got the Moruga scorpion, Trinidad scorpion, and Bhut Jolokia, the ghost chili. Now it's getting really tough.
Move it all around. Move like Mick Jagger. Tastes nice there, John?
Half a chili of Trinidad scorpion, half a chili of red habanero, half a chili of orange habanero, and half a chili of yellow Moruga scorpion. This is when everyone last year started really dropping out. So this will set them apart.
What colour are your eyes, Gillian? Red. Good on you, brother. Come on, down to the other one. Down, you got 5 seconds. Come on, let's give Lisa a hand. Go, Lisa! Come on, Lisa, you can do it. That is not easy. Oh, what was that, Gillian? What was that? That wasn't even your breakfast, brother. You're right. Kids, we take no responsibility for what comes flying towards you in the next 5 minutes.
There's some face painting for you.
Yeah.
Should we start off rough and go with the Trinidad scorpion? Yeah! Or should we give them a chance and just start off with the habanero? No! Alright guys, so the audience have spoken.
Like scorpions.
Check out these guys. This is the hottest.
The hottest, hold it up and look at it, guys. I want you to stare at it. Because this is the thing that's going to put you guys on your ass. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh yeah. How you going, brother?
Fingers.
Can't feel your fingers?
Suffering.
You're suffering, you okay?